Well, I grew up, my dad had a feed mill business and they farmed. They originally started out farming. And I just grew up tagging around my dad and stuff, and liked the smell of the dirt. I liked watching things happen. I love watching things grow. There's a lot of labor to it, but it's fulfilling. I love what I do. There's been a couple times where I've struggled with hail and frost, of course. About 25, 30 years ago, it was on the 26th of July, I was getting ready to cut our barley, and we had a hailstorm that came through and wiped out 2,200 acres of my ground, 100%. I did not have insurance. I survived, and after 2 or 3 years, I was on top of it again. Last time, I never had insurance. A few years ago, I ventured into the Revenue Protection Insurance Program that was offered. As input costs got so high and our economy got so unstable, I could see the cost of the insurance would far outweigh the risk of not having it. And the last couple of years I've been your company, and it's been a lifesaver. I've known Courtney for 5 years, and I know of its family, and I know they're a trustworthy bunch, and you can count on them. The year before, we had a frost that took most of our grain crop. We were 20, 30 bushel, opposed to the 150, 60 bushel of winter wheat crops we have. And it also frosted my potatoes. Our hay was okay, but I lost upwards to about $600,000 that last year. It was brutal, but they stepped in and they paid me a good settlement, and it made it so I could meet my financial obligations and start up another year. I've already recommended my agents to a couple of people that hadn't had it. They were asking how I was getting through, and I told them of my experience with this company and how they took care of me. I call him, and he usually answers that day, and if I need something, he gets it there. You can't do any better than that. I trust him. He's honest and genuine, and I can trust him. If I tell him something, I know he'll do it.